What's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm in the car again because I'm taking my laptop to school to get wiped, which is kind of scary because I know I've like backed it up and everything, but it's still kind of like I'm gonna lose like all of my programs, like Word. I'm gonna lose Word, which I'm really sad about, but oh, it has to be done. So I'm gonna go do that this morning, and then later on Laura and I are gonna go do the shopping while Mum's at work, so that's fun. What? Whose car was that?
Mine.
Okay everybody, quick update. It's a little later and my sister agreed to help me wash my car, so she was being a sweetheart. And okay, so you know the sunnies that were in the start of the video? I actually ended up she ended up buying them because she really liked them. So yeah. Hey Laura, that look cool?
This is not gonna work. Ready? Dude, you suck. What are you doing? You're the worst. Hey Laura.
Hello. I'm doing all the hard work for Lucy.
No! God, now you're making it sound like I'm doing nothing. I scrubbed the car. She's rinsing it. Thanks, Laura. She's done. Just want to say thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 15. See ya!